Are you tired of seeing that wrong invoice in Zoho Books and not knowing how to get rid of it? Delete it in under 30 seconds with these simple steps. I'll show you exactly where to click, from opening Zoho Books to confirming the deletion. Just follow along. Open Zoho Books from your browser or app. Click on the Invoices section from the left-hand menu. Select an invoice, for example, the one dated 14 July 2026. Click on the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 dots. From the drop-down, choose Delete. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Delete again to confirm. Click Proceed to complete the deletion. That's it. You've successfully deleted the invoice. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.